steel well latch. It's like a pistol trigger. There.
How's it going, y'all? This is Hernan Castaneda back again for another segment of Proving Grounds. We're here at a shooting location where we're going to be testing out the Diamond C behind me as well as the Brand X. Let's get started. For the first test, what we're going to be doing is checking out the suspension on both these FMAX and the Brand X trailer behind me. We're going to be setting up GoPros underneath them, and we're going to showcasing the articulation and flexing on both these trailers. Drop across this little dirt road. There's a little high spot on it, so definitely going to make it a nice speed bump. So we're going to try to hit it at maybe 10 to 15 miles an hour, which is pretty fast with this such a heavy load. So let's see what happens. Oh! Oh! Big jump?
Yeah.
That's cool, man. I mean, honestly, I guess I could just get underneath there. We're just gonna check for an immediate damage. I know this is a pretty neat trailer, but that's a pretty big hit. Nothing so far. Everything looks pretty normal. Huh. So far, no damage, no visible damage that I can see. Then we're gonna do the Brand X. Try to replicate that same little jump.
While Hernan's getting the tractor hooked up to our Brand X trailer, I want to test the two ramps out because, you know, Diamond C is known for its easy, light ramps. Let's just see if that's true. So let's give it a test. I'm gonna go from picking up here. It gets better once it gets almost down, but right here, you can see it like, it was less than 90 degrees, but like, it was really hard to pull up. So let's pull it back up. Same thing there. You can see how hard it hits when it slams, like, not exaggerating, that's really heavy. But let's go test the Diamond C's and just see which one's heavier. We're here at the Diamond C Max ramp, let's get it undone. One thing I do like, actually, is a steel well latch. It's like a pistol trigger. You pull it there to unlock it when it's down. It's really smooth, actually. So let's take this down. Oh yeah. I mean, one-hand operation. Well, let's pick it back up and see. It's always easier to put it down. Oh yeah, like night and day difference. One of the things that make it a lot easier are the spring-assisted ramps. These two big springs right here really make it easy to pull up, push down. Just makes a night and day difference for sure.
All right, guys, I can't install a camera for the next shot and I find some damage. It's not big, but it is damage nonetheless. We got these sleeve spring tie downs. Oh, it just came off. So we got this one broken off, and on the other side as well, it's coming loose, but it's not completely off. But I mean, it's not even wrapped around the spring anymore. So that's the first damage that we've seen so far. And on the next one, it's gonna be a much bigger hit. So we'll see what happens. So we're trying to replicate basically a lot of damage in one go. So we're trying to find the biggest ditch we can and then hit it hard as we can and try to see if anything breaks or flexes or weld cracks or anything like that. Here you go, guys. The first test with the Brand X trailer. Unloaded. Big old ditch.
Oh my gosh.
Right?
Oh gosh, I'm freaking nervous.
Oh, crap, boys.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Right? was pretty harsh. Since the trailer's heavier, I feel like the momentum kind of transferred into the truck, but we're gonna inspect this trailer, see what happened, and we can find some damage underneath. Some more damage here on the Brand X trailer. What we found out is some of these leaf spring shackles, they're getting damaged. This one's kind of on the edge of breaking, and then the one on the passenger side is completely off again. So now the only one that's actually looks like it's in one piece is probably the rear passenger side, while the other three remaining are pretty much done. So all right, guys, I'm gonna be honest. I do not want to do that test again with the Brand X. We did it twice, and that thing absolutely shocks the crap out of us. It's just so much momentum. I guess since there's no cushioning on the suspension, on the coupler, and the trailer itself is a little bit heavier than Diamond C, man, that thing absolutely beats the crap out of us on this test that we're doing here. And that's an empty trailer as well, so I just want to point that out. And Diamond C, it's a little bit rough, but man, we did that thing multiple times, maybe like 5-6 times, and we just kept on getting more action shots for it. But this is 2 and done, man. Like, we're not gonna do that test again. I feel like we're gonna hurt ourselves in the truck or whatever, but I mean, that's the least of it, but we're too scared to do it again, honestly.
Dang, that's like the truth. All right, guys, we just wrapped up, and just to give you an honest review, I was able to drive the truck with both trailers and also participate and ride in the truck with both trailers, and the difference was huge. The Diamond C, there's a lot of cushioning in the coupler, the suspension, and you can honestly tell that when you're hitting these bumps versus our Brand X competitor. The trailer is significantly heavier, and there's no cushioning in the coupler whatsoever. The suspension's a lot rougher, and you could really tell. And you know, we've got some footage for you to see. Obviously, you saw it earlier. That was no joke. It shocked the crap out of me. They were saying, hey, prepare to get in this truck because it's really gonna hurt when you hit. And I was like, it's not gonna be that bad. And it was pretty rough. So really good test today, and excited to see what else is coming for this Proving Ground series.